Hello everyone, and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb check out and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb check out is to be found to be true or acceptable after being examined. You can also hear this meaning used with the intention of finding out the truth before examination. The detective cleared the suspect after he confirmed their story. I've checked out your alibi and it looks like you're clean. You can go. Human resources are trying to get to the bottom of an issue between staff. Okay, so we've heard the accounts from both parties involved, and after speaking with the witness, it seems Jake's story doesn't check out. The manager is happy with the interview candidate and discusses it with HR. I think they'll be a great addition to the office. I agree, but we have to ensure their references check out before we employ them. Meaning 2 of check out is to leave a hotel or hospital after paying the bill. They really enjoyed their holiday, but now it's time to go home. I had the best time here. Memories I'll cherish forever. Yeah, me too. Let's check out now and go home. I'm really tired. The nurse checked the patient again before they were set to leave. Seems you are good to go. Thank you for everything. It was my pleasure. Now, let's bring you to reception and check you out. Meaning 3 of check out is to borrow something from an official place, like a book from a library. The librarian explains to someone that they can't borrow any more books until they return one that's still outstanding. But I haven't borrowed any books. It says here a book has been checked out in your name. The man is hiring out a DVD he found in the store. Can I check this out, please? Yes, of course. That one is very popular lately. Meaning 4 of check out is to look at or examine a person or thing that seems interesting or attractive. The women were having a drink at the bar and noticed a guy looking over at them. Look over there. He's totally checking you out. They were admiring all the beautiful cars. Wow, check this one out, guys. So let's summarize. Check out can mean to be found to be true or acceptable after being examined, and with the intention of finding out the truth before examination. The police make sure the driver's insurance checks out before letting him go. To leave a hotel or hospital after paying the bill. The couple check out of their honeymoon suite and head home. To borrow something from an official place, like a book from a library. I checked out the book weeks ago. I think I'll owe the library some money. To look at or examine a person or thing that seems interesting or attractive. I've been checking you out for a few days and only got the courage to ask you out now. Where did you hear the phrasal verb check out? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.